This is our product.
Ageman Sai.
Ageman means clothes, and Sai means good.
So, our product is a good fashion. It's made of homemade batik tulis with wayang and tembang Majapahit motif. It combined with original lyric and batik cap. There are outer with combination wayang Janaka batik and original lyric. It can for women and for men.
Ours with a combination of wayang Janaka batik and red original lurik.
You can mix and match this with Jarik Lilit. Jarik Lilit, wayang Ramasinta and tembang Asmoro-dono. Ramasinta and Asmoro-dono have the same theme about love. This is so unique and different from the other.
Here is Saruntling with wayang Janaka's motifs. You can combine or match your shirt with Saruntling. And here we got shirt with a combination of wayang Janaka batik and original lurik.
Red outer, no hand. Combination of wayang Janaka batik and original lurik. You can match this with Jarik Lilit. Looks, it is so beautiful, right? The last one, red shirt. Combination of wayang Janaka batik and original lurik. This is so cool, yeah. Remember, our product is different from the other. And this is the batik made from love and limited edition. Ramasinta, red Janaka, and black Janaka. If you wear it, you will shine. Ageman Sai, Benten kalih sanesipun.
Matur nuwun.
Nuwun.